Hi friends, thanks for joining me today. It's Maria Robinson, Stamping Simply with Maria. So I have this fun technique to share with you today, and I may have shown it in a previous video, but it's really cool. It involves the More Dazzle DSP, Specialty DSP, which can be found in our annual catalog. And it is, you get 8 single-sided sheets, 4 of each color, champagne and gold, for $7.50. What a great deal, right? You'll see it right here. You've got the champagne and the gold. So I'm going to be using champagne. I did finish up my gold on other cards already, but I just want to show you this really, really cool. Something that I just kind of found by accident. I was like, let's see if this would work if I add color to it. And you know what? It does work. So here we go. We're going to use our blending brushes. Just picking up some color. Now I'm going to try this just blotting my brush, but I don't think you have to do that. Now we'll just come in here and add color. Look at that, how gorgeous it is. Is that not amazing? I mean, wow. Now you've got your, here, let me zoom in a little bit for you so you can see that. Bring it down here. So now I want to try it without blotting off. See, because, so when you're doing the, here, let's put this under here. Oh, well, I already got it messed up. It's okay. When you're applying the ink on regular cardstock, you usually want to blot off. But what I found is when you're applying it to the More Dazzle paper, you don't need to blot off because that just kind of spreads a lot easier with the blending brush. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. So, so pretty and vibrant. And let's try this. I just happen to have Misty Moonlight on my table as well. See what it looks like with 2 different colors. So we'll put some Misty Moonlight. Yeah, I probably should have blotted off, but oh well. We'll add some more color here. But can you imagine how this would look if you did like a rainbow of colors? I mean, really, really cool, I'm sure. And you can just keep applying color until you get your desired effect. We'll apply some more Blueberry Bushel. Go down here on the bottom. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Here, let me bring this up closer. Let me just add a little more of the Misty Moonlight right over here. I mean, these colors are very, very similar. The Misty Moonlight is a little bit softer, whereas the Blueberry Bushel is more of a bright blue. So here, let me show you this. And then you can see the difference between the non-colored one and then the colored area. So isn't that pretty? Look at the sparkle on that. So, so pretty. So now you can take this plain glitter paper and you can add color to it. How cool is that? And you know what I really like about the Stampin' Up! Glitter paper? So much glitter paper that you find at those big box stores, you know, it flakes off. Look at this. This does not flake off. So really, really cool. Love that. You do want this to dry though, because, you know, as you can see, I'm getting blue on my fingers. So you can hit it with your heat tool though and let that air dry, or let it air dry if you have more time. But I just love the way that looks. Gives it, I mean, this looks kind of like denim-y, sequin-y. Really, really pretty. So I hope you will try this technique. I hope you have this paper. If not, you can certainly order some in my online store. And I'll have the, I'm going to just close these so I don't stick my fingers in it by accident. In the description, you'll find the link to shop with me if you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I'd love to earn your business. Let me know if you give this a try. Leave me a comment, and I'd love to hear from you. And you can also post your cards on my Facebook business page, which is Stampin' Simply with Maria. So you should check that out. That link is also in the description below the video. So friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that I have inspired you to create handmade cards. Yeah, I know we didn't make a handmade card today. We'll do that next week. Matter of fact, I will die cut from this and use this in my card for next week's video. So you'll see how it looks. Please be sure to like, comment, and share my video with your crafty friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video or go live. Until next time, friends, have a great day. Take care and happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.